Hey everyone! Today we're lighting up the night with this awesome set of handcrafted mosaic solar lanterns. I got them in a stunning blue color. And trust me, these things are something special. First off, checking out the packaging, each lantern is super securely packed in styrofoam, so nothing gets damaged. And guess what? You get 6 lanterns in one box. That's a whole lot of magic for your space. Now, take a close look at this gorgeous glass. It's handcrafted mosaic, giving each globe a unique, sparkling finish that totally catches your eye. Up top is a solar panel made with a high efficiency polycrystalline silicone. Attached is this flexible rubber wire loop with tiny LED bulbs all along. Now let's open it up. Here's the on and off switch and the main LED bulb inside. And check this out. Cover the solar panel to simulate nighttime, and boom! The lantern lights up instantly with a beautiful glow. Now for the best part, seeing them in action at night. Look at this! I hung all 6 lanterns in a row and the effect is absolutely stunning. The glowing mosaic lights up the space with a cozy, magical vibe. Perfect for parties, quiet nights, or just adding some wow factor to your garden. Here's a shot of 2 hanging right in my garden, casting beautiful light and shadows that totally transform the space. If you want to add some sparkle and style and a little bit of magic to your outdoor area, these mosaic solar lanterns are the way to go. Thank you so much for watching.